When I turn this way, it'll look even better because we'll be driving into the snow where it's coming from.
And Iron Maiden have announced another new beer. This time it's a golden ale, which I didn't know was a thing. It's called Life Brigade, and you can pick it up in stores next month.
See this, fans?
104.7 The Cave. To me, there are a lot of heroes in this world.
Snow in Nixa, Missouri.
I would love to say thank you to each and every one that I can. So if you have a veteran in your life, a son, a brother, father, mother, sister, daughter, neighbor, or even a coworker, sign them up online on our website at 1047thecave.com so I can thank them in person and take them out to lunch at the American Legion Post 639. So far, it has been an honor for me to say thank you to each veteran I've taken out to lunch. Just click on Lunch with the Heroes.
Pretty, isn't it?
Submit a veteran in your life, and I can thank them in person. 104.7
Yep.
See, that's how it drives in two-wheel drive. Now you want to see me? Put it in four-wheel drive.
All right, knock yourself out.
Okay, Lenny, I'm off to the gym.
Come on, Dave. Lenny, you're gonna quit kidding yourself. Those New Year's resolutions never last. Wait, what gym?
The gym of, you know, the one down by the viaduct.
The store's by the viaduct. I've never seen a gym around there.
Oh, okay, so you got me. Look, this year to save even more money for our customers, no more forklifts.
But Dave, some of those rolls of cart
driving
weigh
on
500
the
pounds.
road, then you make sure you put it in four-wheel high, okay?
Celebrate the new year.
Yep.
Don't ever put it in four-wheel low if you're driving on the road.
Get clothing for Say Carpeting, including pad and installation, for one low price of $138 a square foot. Discount Dave will do anything to save you money. Shop 3 stores: Gladstone in Springfield,
Yep.
Bronze in Ozark, in Mountain Grove, and at DiscountDavesCarpet.com. Call me up at 862-DAVE.
Now, Dave, be careful. Lift with your legs.
Does your current employer ever say, family first, then work? How about we like to share the money around here? This is Paul with Arnie's Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Until I met Arnie, I never heard that from my employer. That's why I joined the team at Arnie's, the type of company you want to work for. I've been here for 8 years now. In fact, most of our team has been with the company for 10 to 12 years. What does that say? I think it says we are really part of the team at Arnie's Army. Proud, strong, we love our brotherhood. We've got each other's backs, and we know that Arnie himself has our back too. If you find yourself feeling more like a number than a person at your current job, go online to Arnie'sPlumbing.net. That's Arnie'sPlumbing.net. Or stop by the office to learn more about becoming part of our army. Arnie's Plumbing, Heating, and Air is looking to hire a journeyman plumber, as well as 2.
There's our destination.
Pay is up to $25 an hour, along with bonus potential, but no sales quotas. Arnie's also offers other great benefits.
That was all the
Arnie's
snow
Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Come join the brotherhood and feel proud.
that we saw on the way to
Want to see
church.
the most kitchen displays anywhere? Come to Kitchenland in Nixa. We've got dozens of displays. But if you want help deciding on your favorite design and style without
I'm
even
out.
leaving home, visit Kitchenland on Facebook.
Stay warm.
We have pictures of scores of fully